lot of roles are available in terms of IA. So the IA is actually speaking, they are building only the information architecture. That's it.
So their role is just to build that
information architecture alone, but they are working in the enterprise level applications. So my part was only the research part, very core, identifying the key points. That is also I note it down. Then giving for the ideation time, I will be participate, but these key points should be there.
Okay.
So that is all important. Roles are a lot, but my recommendation, first you have to specialize your UX and UI area.
As we gain experience, we can.
And then over a period of time, you can evolve yourself.
So UI UX designer, product designer. So these are the core roles, UX roles. So apart from that, we have UX writer, UX architect, and UX manager, IA architect. So what do these roles do? What do these people do in their work?
So fundamentally, the UX writer role is the content writer become a UX designer. They can focus on UX writer. They are going to working on the mobile application or web applications copy area, content area.
Okay.
For example, if you placing an order in Swiggy, so finally what will happen? There is a, hey, you made an order, right? So even Zomato, they are sending the notification, something like, now it's at 12 o'clock. Feel hungry, don't worry. So Wednesday for pizza days.
Okay.
So something like these kind of a notification messages or app inside the app messages. So these messages should be very crispy, and it should be convey the core information or the messages to the audience.
So it should invite the user to perform a task.
Yes. So it should encourage. That is a UX copy. So not only that. So there are a lot of playing a vital role, right? So it's a huge one. So for example, if you are going to place an order, and if you doesn't know how many minutes it will take you to deliver that order, then what will happen?
Paranoid.
Right? So the restaurants, they are putting some 20 minutes to deliver. If they are putting 50 minutes to deliver, which one you choose?
The nearest one.
It depends. Currently you are going for a meeting, you will be back by 40 minutes. Then you are going to put it for the 50 minutes order. So this is a UX copy. UX designer having the sense that UX writer will, on short line, they will write.
Okay.
So these are the UX copy playing a vital role. And other roles in terms of, lot of roles are available in terms of IA. So the IA is actually speaking, they are building only the information architect. That's it.
So their role is just to build that
information architecture alone. But they are working in the enterprise level applications, and they are working in bigger companies.
Okay.
So bigger organizations, they have that kind of a budget and the luxury to having the different specialist people. Something like roles like an interaction designer. They do only prototyping.
Okay.
They don't do anything else. They do only prototyping, micro animations, interactions. Based on the user flow, everything has been given to them. They will do the things. That is one role. And there is one more UI designers only for UI design. UX researcher role is there. They do only research.
Okay. The ideation.
No, they do. They go and meet the people, conduct the research, collecting the data, and they are sitting for quantitative research. That's it.
Just the interview portion.
That's it. They are collecting all the data, give it to the junior level designers.
Okay, even so they will do the ideation and take it further.
Yes, they are going to analyze the data. See, in my agency, I was playing like what do you call UX researcher role. So in the UX researcher role, what happened? My team, my product designer, they won't allow me. Reason is my interviews and all, I'm start with a very casual talk. Then I was grasping the data. It will be around a minimum 1 hour, 1.5 hour interviews with the stakeholder or the users. So minimum I will be meeting around 15 to 20 people.
Okay, so it will take a lot of time.
So 20 hours minimum, 20 to 30 hours recording will be there.
So they need to analyze the 20 to 30
So the
hours.
junior level designers, those days we don't have any AI, right? So I'm talking about 3 years ago, 4 years ago, AI was not matured enough. Now we can put the audio. Based on audio, please grasp the data, it will be happen. 3 years ago and all is not that much matured AI. So my junior level designers, they literally crying on that.
Okay.
Please don't go for research. We will go there. So they have to analyze the data. So my part was only the research part, very core, identifying the key points. That is also I note it down. Then giving for the ideation time, I will be participate, but these key points should be there.
Okay.
So that is all important. Even information architect, actually speaking, I was working with one ERP application. In that, they have around 2,300 menu items.
Oh, which one?
26 users.
Okay.
How will you manage that? So I did a very comprehensive research. During that research, I travel almost all the Delhi NCR. Then I met around 300 plus users and 26 different user categories, right? Then once I came back here, then it's about 45 days to sort out the menu system. That's it. That is the only primary task, simplifying the navigation system.
So in the end, how much did you like cut it down to?
We are reducing a lot.
Okay.
So there are 4 level, 5 level menus. We are reduced into 2 levels.
Mm.
So primary, secondary, or the main or sub. And
That's
the user specifically, we have to. For example, one user itself, they are playing two different roles.
Yeah.
So we are creating the menu for the role based. So they are switching the roles. According to the role, the menu will be changed. So these kind of a thing we had implemented. But it's about a 45 days. You imagine one big application, 45 days I was working only for menu, the navigation system or the information architecture.
It's a huge task.
So huge, huge. So room full of sticky notes with the diagrams, flow diagrams. It's kind of a crazy. So the roles are there, but there is a very senior level roles with the stakeholders, along with the stakeholders of the clients also to be involved. So we have to take one module, one flow. Accordingly, we have to fix the right. So it's all roles are a lot. But my recommendation first you have to specialize your UX and UI area.
As we gain experience, we can.
And then over a period of time, you can evolve yourself.
Okay.
Which one you love the most? So I love the most of 3 areas in UX. One is UX research. Research is very interesting area, and solving that problem with the design solutions. Very complex thing. I want to make it simplify. Very challenging one. So that is I loved simplifying the navigations. So that 2 areas where I love rather than sitting on the design, working on the design. That is there, but these two are challenged ones. Very challenging.